an A-star in IGCSE Mathematics requires consistent efforts, mastering concepts and developing strong exam techniques. Hi everyone, welcome back to PW International Boards. Let's talk about some detailed strategies that can help you achieve that top grade. First is master the IGCSE Maths syllabus. Know the syllabus inside out. The IGCSE Mathematics syllabus is divided into topics such as algebra, geometry, trigonometry, statistics and number theory. Understand what each topic covers and make sure you're familiar with the learning objective for each section. Next, focus on key topics. Certain topics like algebra, indices, trigonometry and solving quadratic equations are fundamental. These topics are regularly tested, so this should be your focus areas. Second is practice, practice and practice. Work through the past paper. This is arguably the most effective way to prepare for the IGCSE Maths exam. Past papers will help you familiarize yourself with the type of questions asked, the difficulty level and the exam's format. Practice under timed conditions to improve your time management skills. Next is understand the mark scheme. Study the mark scheme for past papers to understand exactly what examiners are looking for in your answers. This will help you answer questions more effectively and avoid losing marks unnecessarily. Next is complete a variety of questions. Don't just stick to the textbook or one set of past papers. Practice a wide range of questions from different sources to develop your problem-solving skills. Third is build a strong foundation in key areas. First is algebra. Make sure you can manipulate algebraic expressions, solve linear and quadratic equations, factorize, and understand functions and sequences. These topics are frequently tested. Second is about geometry and trigonometry. Get comfortable with angle properties, the properties of shapes like triangles, circles, etc. and basic trigonometric ratios, sine, cos, tan. Learn how to solve problems involving area, volume and surface area. Third is about statistics and probability. Understand how to interpret data from charts and graphs, calculate average, mean, median and mode and apply probability theory. Fourth is about the number theory. Master the basic operations as well as working with fractions, decimals, percentage and ratios. Pay special attention to the application of percentages in word problems as they are commonly tested. Fourth is focus on the exam techniques. Read the question carefully. One common mistake students make is not fully understanding the question. So make sure you know exactly what the question is asking before you begin. Show your workings. Even if you are confident with the answer, always show your full working in the exam. The examiner may award method marks even if the final answer is wrong. Additionally, showing clear workings can help you identify mistakes more easily during the exam. Next is use the correct notation. For example, in geometry, using the correct symbols and abbreviations is important. In algebra, make sure to use proper factorization and simplification techniques. Consistent, correct notation is essential to securing all marks. Next is about the time management. Practice managing your time effectively so that you don't run out of time during the exam. Don't spend too long on one question if you are stuck. Move on and come back to it later if you have time. Fifth is working on speed and accuracy. Being quick in solving problems is important, but don't compromise with accuracy. Set up a routine where you practice questions from different topics within a fixed time frame to improve your speed. This is specifically crucial in the final stages of preparation. Focus on the accuracy. Aim to avoid careless mistakes. Double check your calculations to ensure that your answer makes sense in the context of the problem. Mistakes in simple arithmetic can cost you your valuable marks. Sixth is identify and strengthen your weak areas. Know your weakness. Regularly assess which areas you are struggling with and focus on improving them. If algebra is a weak area, spend extra time practicing algebraic expressions, solving equations and factorizing. Seek help when needed. If you don't understand a particular topic, ask your teacher or consider online tutorials to clarify your doubts. Seventh is use a wide variety of resources. Textbooks. Use the recommended textbooks, IGCSE Maths textbook for your syllabus, example Cambridge, etc. for structured learning and practice. Online platforms. Utilize platforms like PW International Boards on YouTube, which provide free resources, video tutorials, and past papers. Apps. Consider using apps like PhotoMath or Mathway for solving and explaining problems. These can be handy for checking your work and understanding the steps involved. 8th is master mental math. Improve your mental math skills. Speed in simple calculation is essential for performing well under time pressure. Practice multiplication, division, addition, subtraction quickly in your mind to save time. Know your timetables. Master your timetables up to 12 times 12, as this will make many calculations faster and more accurate. 9th is take care of the basics and don't skip the steps. Don't skip the basics. It might seem obvious, but many students lose marks due to neglecting basic operations. Always check that you understand basic concepts before moving on to the more advanced topics. Use estimation. Estimating answers before you start a problem can give you a quick check on whether your answer is reasonable. 10th is revise strategically. Use spaced repetition. Spaced repetition helps reinforce learning over time. Create a revision schedule that includes periodic reviews of topics you have already covered. Next is make concise notes. When revising, focus on summarizing important points, formulas, and key concepts. Use mind maps, flashcards, and summary sheets to make reviewing faster and more effective. Next is review your mistakes. After practicing past papers, go over any mistakes you made, understand where you went wrong, and make sure you don't repeat the same errors. 11th is, if we talk about being calm and confident, stay positive. Approach your studies with a positive attitude. Keep a growth mindset. Believe that you can improve with effort and practice. Stay calm during the exam. In the exam, keep calm and focus on what you know. If you get stuck on a question, move on to the next one, return to it later with a fresh perspective. So if we talk about the key takeaways, first is the consistency. Consistent practice and regular review are key to excelling. Time management. Learn how to pace yourself and prioritize questions during the exam. Next is about the problem solving skills. Always aim to understand the underlying principles, not just memorizing the steps. Fourth is to have the clarity and organization. Write clear solutions with all necessary steps to maximize marks. By following these strategies, you can strengthen your chances of scoring an A star in IGCSE Mathematics. Stay focused, be persistent, and don't be afraid to seek help when needed. You can refer to the videos on our channel for the help you require related to any topic or previous year papers. I hope that this will be very helpful for you for your upcoming exams. Thank you so much, everyone.